Friends, what's up? Welcome back to brand new video. Today we are introduce a lot of colorful toys, friends. Lot of type colors. Ho, friends. So nice, so cool, so beautiful, friends. I collect one by one. Let's go, friends. This is my collecting bucket here. At first, this is yellow color big size toys. I put it here. Next, this is green color big size man. I put it here. This is another big size. Ho, friends, this is pink color. I put it here. Next one, this blue color animal toys. I put it here. Next, this is green color. Ho, friends, I put it down. Next one, this is yellow color big size toys. I put it here. Next one, this is blue color big size toys. I put it here. Next one, this is pink color big size animal toys. I put it here in my collecting bucket. Next, what is this, friends? This is yellow color big size toys. I put it here. Next, this is green color big size toys. I put it down. Friends, I collected a lot of colorful toys. Let's go in my cleaning point. Friends, this is our cleaning water. Ho, friends, I clean one by one. At first, this wow, friends, this is orange color mini car. Ho, friends, so nice, so cool. Wow.
Let's have fun.
I put it here. Next one, this green color big size. Wow, what is this? Oh my god, this is yellow color.